Come check out these 2-story townhomes in Summerlin West, Las Vegas, under $550,000. You'll love the unique design of this single-family attached home floor plan. Head through the porch and into the entry to find an open concept living. A spacious great room opens to a casual dining area and kitchen with an island ideal for hosting. Work or study from home in a spacious study, or choose to make this space a 5th bedroom. Across the way is a bathroom, and at the back of the home is a garage. Upstairs, find 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a laundry room, a convenient tech space, and a loft perfect for nights at home. Or transform this into a 4th bedroom. Also on the 2nd floor is a serene primary suite, complete with a primary bathroom, walk-in closet, and uncovered balcony at tucked away oasis. Live in a unique single-family attached home floor plan. Head through the porch into the entry to find beautiful open concept living. A spacious great room flows into a casual dining area and kitchen with an island, the perfect spot for entertaining. Further back, find a convenient powder room, a garage, and stairs. The 2nd floor is home to a convenient laundry room, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a versatile loft. Also on the 2nd floor is the primary suite with a primary bathroom, a walk-in closet, a haven to relax and unwind. Message us for more details or to schedule a private tour.